Come with me as I show you this incredible dash cam I just got for my car. It's got 4K resolution and its own built-in Wi-Fi. It's got one front camera and one rear camera device, motion detection, parking mode, night vision, and many other features that I'm super excited about. First, let's see what's in the box. The first thing we got is the front camera. Very light and small device. It has all these little buttons to navigate all the features and menu options. The 64GB micro SD card is on the side, and it seems to be very easy to take out to retrieve data and videos. Then we have this 2-port USB car charger for both the front and rear camera wires. The front camera charger wire, a crowbar, and some cable clips for installation. A suction cup mount, and the rear camera with its own charging cable. This will also bring a couple adhesive mounts and of course the user manual. One of my favorite things about this dash cam is that with its built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily pair it with your phone, giving you access to all its amazing features right at your own device, which makes it super convenient and easy to use. You can access all the footage, videos, and photos on the same app too. Through the AZDOME app, you have the option to switch from one camera to another, stop the recording, adjust the video resolution, and even turn the audio recording on and off. You could also adjust the settings and functions on the front camera menu. It has 4 different resolution options you can choose from. 1 to 3 minute loop recording, wide dynamic range mode, exposure levels, time-lapse record, record audio options, stamp, and G-sensor adjustments. It also comes with a parking mode and auto parking mode. Live speed, and many other features and settings for you to choose from and make your recording exactly how you want it to be. The options are really endless here. I love it already.